We built the MagnaFlow exhaust system for Gary Kropp's '62 Corvette. Now we've got the frame all powder coated and we're doing the final assembly, but all the exhaust has to go out and get ceramic coated before we do a final assembly. So I'm just doing a final dry fit of all the pieces. Once that's finished, we'll pull it apart, get it all ceramic coated, final assemble it before we put the body back on the chassis. Johnny in the fabrication shop, he built all the brackets and everything. I know that we've got some rubber grommets that go into here before this one gets bolted on the back of the frame. This one's on the front, but I've got to go find those pieces before I can finish the assembly of this.